Hello everyone and welcome back to our another thrilling episode of Quick Fire GK Quiz One Word Answer Challenge. Today we have a special edition on sports and national and international organizations. As always, my two brilliant students are ready for today's challenge. You know the left one, Akshit Tiwari, who is known for his incredible curiosity. And facing off against him, Akshit Bhandari, who never backs down from a challenge. Here is how the game works. You guys know how many questions will you ask to each other?
Yes, sir.
50. You will ask to him and 50 you are going to ask him, right? So 100 questions will be asked between you guys. Got it?
Yes.
I have taught you all the concept or the theoretical parts. Now you have the questions in your notebook, right? You do have the pages. So first 25 questions you are going to ask him, right? And then you will ask 25 to him and in the same way. Got it?
Yes.
So 100 questions will be asked between you guys. Got it? Okay. And you know how much time do you have to respond? Yeah, just 5 seconds. You will have just 5 seconds. Within 5 seconds you have to respond. Got it? So stay sharp. Stay sharp. Got it? And if you give wrong answer and do hesitate and don't give any answer, it will be considered as a wrong one. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Are you energetic for that?
Yes,
or
sir.
feeling nervous? Bhandari, are you feeling nervous?
No, sir.
Okay, not. Okay. Are you?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you both guys ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. These both guys are doing very well. Very incredible. Do you want to know the prize? Do you want to know that?
Yes, sir.
Let it be a secret. We are going to do similar kind of 15 more episodes, 10 to 15 more episodes. And at the end of each episode, the winner will be declared. And the guy who will win more of the episode will get a prize at the end. Got it?
Yes,
Let
sir.
it be a secret. I will announce that later on. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So don't worry. Don't hesitate. Speak the questions correctly. Last time you made a few pronunciation mistakes. This time this should not be happen. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Start. Akshit.
What is the number of players in a basketball
Can
team?
we keep this color mix in between of you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Start.
What is the number of players in a basketball team?
5.
How many players are there in a cricket team?
11.
How many players are required for kabaddi?
7.
How many players are in a football team?
11.
What is the number of players in a polo team?
4.
What game uses the term LBW?
Cricket.
Which term is used in chess for a win?
Can you repeat the question?
Which term is used in chess for a win?
Checkmate.
What is the duration of a hockey match?
60 minutes.
Which trophy is associated with cricket?
Ranji Trophy.
Which cup is associated with football?
Durand Cup.
What is the headquarters of ICC?
Dubai.
What is the motto of the Olympic game?
Citius Altius Fortius.
Where will be the 2024 Olympic game be held?
Paris, France.
Where was the 9th Asian game held?
New Delhi.
What is the mascot of the 1982 Asian game?
Appu.
Which sport use the term smash?
Badminton.
Which trophy is associated with badminton?
Thomas Cup.
Who is known as the wizard of hockey?
Major Dhyan Chand.
Who is the first Indian to win an Olympic gold medal in shooting?
Abhinav Bindra.
Who is known as the flying Sikh of India?
Milkha Singh.
Who won the gold medal in javelin throw at the Olympic game?
Neeraj Chopra.
What is the highest governing body of football?
FIFA.
Where is the FIFA headquartered?
Zurich, Switzerland.
What is the origin country of badminton?
England.
What is the headquarters of FIH hockey?
Can you repeat the question?
What is the headquarters of FIH hockey?
Lausanne, Switzerland.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now you start. All of the questions answers given by him right? Okay, very good. Shabash.
Which country is the origin of chess?
India.
What is the symbol of the Olympic Games?
5 interlaced ring.
When was the Commonwealth Games started?
1930.
Which is the oldest tennis Grand Slam tournament?
Wimbledon.
Which court surface is used in the French Open?
Clay.
Who is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal?
Karna Maleshwari.
What is the duration of a football match?
90 minutes.
Where is the International Badminton Federation headquartered?
Can you repeat the question?
Where is the International Badminton Federation headquartered?
Badminton. Kuala Lumpur.
Who is known as the Nightingale of India?
Sarojini Naidu.
Who wrote Jane Gane Mane?
Rabindranath Tagore.
What is the maximum number of players in volleyball?
6.
Who won the first gold medal for independent India?
K.D. Jadhav.
Which country is called the birthplace of modern Olympic Games?
Can you repeat the question?
Which country is called the birthplace of modern Olympic Games?
Athens, Greece.
Who is the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize?
Rabindranath Tagore.
What is the national sport of Canada?
Ice hockey.
Which country started the game of rugby?
England.
What is the national sport of New Zealand?
Rugby.
What is the length of an Olympic swimming pool?
50 meter.
What is the shape of a cricket pitch?
Rectangular.
How many rings are there in the Olympic logo?
5.
Where is the headquarters of Fight Chess?
Can you repeat the question?
Where is the headquarters of Fight Chess?
Chess. Chess. Lucerne.
Yes, that's correct.
Where is
Lucerne.
Lucerne?
Lucerne.
Okay.
What is the national sport of India?
Hockey.
Which country won the first Cricket World Cup?
West Indies.
Who is the first Indian woman boxer to win an Olympic medal?
Mary Kom.
Who is the first Indian badminton player to win an Olympic medal?
Saina Nehwal.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, now you start.
When was United Nations Organization established?
1945.
Where is the headquarters of the United Nations?
New York.
How many member countries are there in the UN?
193.
What is the official language of the UN?
English.
When is United Nation Day celebrated?
24th October.
Who was the first Secretary General of the UN?
Chai Gibi Lai.
How many members are in the UN Secretary Council?
15.
Name the 5 permanent members of the UN Security.
USA, UK, France, Russia and China.
Where is the International Court of Justice located?
Hague.
How many judges are there in the International Court of Justice?
15.
Who was the first Indian woman president of the UN General Assembly?
Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit.
When was UNESCO established?
1946.
Where is the headquarters of UNESCO?
Paris, France.
When was WHO established?
1948.
Where is the headquarters of WHO?
Geneva.
What is this? Who?
Sorry, WHO.
Yeah, WHO. Word. What's the full form of WHO?
World Health Organization.
Yes.
Where is UNICEF headquartered?
UNICEF. Yeah, that is also called as UNICEF.
New York.
When was the World Bank established?
World Bank.
Established.
1945.
Yes. Where is the headquarters of the World Bank?
Washington DC.
What does ISRO stand for?
Indian Space Research Organization.
When was ISRO established?
1969.
Where is the headquarters of ISRO?
Bengaluru.
Where is the Satish Dhawan Space Center located?
Sriharikota.
Where is the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center located?
Tiruvananthapuram.
Who is known as the
Wait.
father?
Where is Tiruvananthapuram located? In which
Kerala.
state? Tiruvananthapuram is in Kerala?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and where is Sriharikota?
Andhra Pradesh.
Very good.
Who is known as the father of the Indian space program?
Sardar Vallabhbhai.
Wrong. Vikram Sarabhai. Yeah, one
Yes, you got a. You gave one negative. You got one negative mark, right? Yes. Yeah, one mistake you did.
When was the Reserve Bank of India established?
1935.
Yes. And your chance.
Okay, it's your turn, right? Okay, yes, start.
Where is the headquarters of the Reserve Bank of India?
Mumbai.
When was the Planning Commission replaced by Niti Aayog?
2015.
Where is the headquarters of Niti Aayog?
Delhi. New Delhi.
Who is the chairman of Niti Aayog?
Prime Minister.
When was the National Defence Academy established?
1995.
That is wrong answer. 1954.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Where is the National Defence Academy located?
Pune.
How many countries are member of the WTO?
164.
When was the WTO established?
1995.
Where is the headquarters of the WTO?
WTO. Geneva.
What is the full form of IMF?
International Monetary Fund.
When was the IMF established?
Can you repeat the question?
When was the IMF established?
1945.
Where is the headquarters of the IMF?
What?
Where is the headquarters of the IMF?
Washington DC.
What is the motto of the UN?
Maintain peace and security.
Who founded the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research?
Homi Bhabha.
When was the League of Nations established?
1920.
Why was the League of Nations dissolved?
Failure to maintain peace.
Which organization is responsible for India's space program?
ISRO.
What is the primary launch vehicle used by ISRO?
PSLV.
When was the International Monetary Fund founded?
1945.
What is the role of the UN General Assembly?
Deliberative organs.
Deliberative organ. What is the main objective of the UN?
Main objective. International peace and cooperation.
Which city was the headquarters of RBI before Mumbai?
Kolkata.
What is the tenure of judges in the International Court of Justice?
9 years.
What year was UNICEF founded?
1946.
Who heads the UN Secretariat?
Secretary General.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so both of you cancel out one negative, right? Yes. So it's again a tie between both of you, right? Hope give minimal negative answers, right?
Yes,
Wrong answer minimum, right? If you give more than 2% wrong answer, then it will be also a question for me. Got it? So everyone is watching that one. So keep upgrade that next time. So don't give any kind of wrong answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you both guys did very well. Well done, both of you. Have a big clap for yourself now. Very good. Okay, bye.
Bye.